Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn some shortcut for basic trigonometric angles. That means how to write this trigonometric angles very easily. So these trigonometric angles are very important in solving angle of elevation and angle of depression problems. So all these problems based on this angles only. So if you don't know these angles, then it is very difficult to solve the problems. Okay. So now we will see what is the shortcut for writing this. So we have so many angles. All this we cannot remember. So we need to learn some shortcut for that. Okay. Yes. Now you see here. First we will write trigonometric ratios. How many we have? So how many we have? Trigonometric ratios we have sine. Here I will write sine theta. Next cos theta. Next tan theta. Next we will write sine reciprocal. Sine reciprocal cosecant theta. Cos reciprocal secant theta, tan reciprocal cot theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios we have. Okay. And angles. So we have some basic angles. The angles are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. So up to 10th class we will learn only these basic angles. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This is sufficient for 10th class. Okay. Oh, now yes. Now observe here. This sine values. The sine values if you know, sine 0 degrees, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, if you know these values, remaining you can fill up automatically. So we have to know only this sine values. If you know sine values, remaining cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot, theta, all this we can fill up. Very easily we can fill up. Okay. So how to know this sine value? Sine 0 is how much? Sine 30 how much? Sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. How to know these values? So to remember this, we have a trick. If you write this, all this 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, then you can write automatically, remaining you can fill up. Okay. So the only thing is we have to remember this shortcut. How to get these values. For that I will give some shortcut. Okay. Yes. Now observe here. 0 degrees we have no 30, 45, 60, 90. These values we have to write for sine. So for that what we have to do? So here I will write whole numbers starting with 0. Write whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first step is write whole numbers. So what I am doing here, I am going to find the answer for sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. These values I am going to find the answer. That's why I am writing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yes. Now observe here. This is the first step. Write whole numbers from 0 to 4. Now all these numbers you divide by last number. Last number is what? 4. So divide by 4. All these numbers we have to divide by 4. Second step completed. First step is writing whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step is dividing all the numbers by 4. Last step we have. Last step is apply square root for all. Apply square root for all. That's it. Now this value we have to write here. This value right here. This value right here. This value right here, and this value we write here. That's it. So one by one you will solve now. 0 by 4. So I will take here. Observe here. 0 by 4 square root we have. This we have to find the answer. Okay. Equals to 0 by 4. What is the answer? 0 by 4 is 0. So square root will be there. Square root of 0, 0. So this answer we write here. This answer you write here. Zero. Okay. Yes. Next. This we simplified. The answer is 0 we wrote here. Now we simplify this. Simplify this. How to simplify this? Here I will write. Square root of 1 by 4. Okay. Now apply square root separately for both the numbers. Square root of 1 divided by square root of 4. Here what I did, this square root I wrote for 1 and also for 4. Square root of 1, that is 1, divided by square root of 4, 2. So what is the answer we got? 1 by 2 we got. 1 by 2. 1 by 4 if you simplify now you got 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 you write here. So second also we got. Next we have to solve this 2 by 4. Write the answer here. Okay, I will solve here. 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Cancel here. Observe this. Cancel. 2 ones, 2 twos. What you will get? Square root of 1 by 2. Write square root separately. Square root of 1 divided by square root of 2. Square root of 1, 1 divided by square root of 2, square root of 2 only. So answer is what now? 1 by square root of 2. Next, square root of root 3 by 4 we have to simplify. Write the answer here. How to simplify that? Okay, here I will simplify. Square root of 3 by 4. Apply square root separately for both the numbers. Square root of 3 by square root of 4 equals to square root of 3 as it is you write, divided by square root of 4, 2. So root 3 by 2 we got the answer. This we got root 3 by 2. Last is very simple. 4 you cancel. Answer is 1, no? Square root of 1, 1. That's it. So this both we can cancel. If you cancel this both, 4 if you cancel, 1 will be there. Square root of 1, 1 we can write. That's it. Now sine values we got. Sine 0 degrees 0. Sine 30 degrees 1 by 2. Sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. Sine 90 degrees 1. After this remaining you can fill up very easily. You can fill up. How to fill up remaining? Cos. Cos values if you want to write, sine values we have no, from ending no, that ending starting you write here. Here ending, this becomes starting. Next root 3 by 2 here you write. This 1 by 2 here you write. 1 by 2, sorry, this is 1 by root 2, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 you write here. 0 right here. That's it. Cos we got. What we did cos? Reverse we wrote. This one I wrote here, root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2 here, 1 by 2 here, and 0 here. Next tan. Tan is we have to divide this both. So tan formula is this one. tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta. That is the formula. Tan theta answer is sin theta by cos theta. So divide this both. 0 by 1. 0 by 1, 0. Right here. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Both we have to divide. So here I will divide. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Remaining how much we got? 1 divided by root 3. So 1 by root 3. This both you divide 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Same one, cancel. Both you can cancel. Answer will be 1. Here root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 we can cancel. 2 we can cancel. Root 3 by 1 will be there. Root 3 by 1 means root 3 only. 1 divided by 0. 1. Next we have to divide this both. 1 divided by 0. 1 divided by 0 is not defined. ND. ND means not defined. Okay. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, what we have to do? Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Sine, reciprocal cosecant. Here we have 0, no? 0 we have. Actually 0 we can write like this. Observe this. 0 is written as 0 is equal to 0 by 1. 0 is equal to 0 by 1. So here 1 divide by 1 we can write. But here what we have to write? Reverse we have to write. 1 by 0 we have to write. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means what? Not defined. So here not defined. 1 by 2 reverse you write. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 nothing but 2. 1 by root 2 reverse you write. Root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 means root 2. Reverse. Root 3 by 2 we have here, but here we have to write 2 by root 3. 1. The same 1 can write. Why? Because, see, observe here. 1 is written as 1 by 1. 1 by 1 means again 1 only you will get. Same answer. Secant. Secant, what we have to do? Just you write this reverse values. Cosecant we have no values, so this values you write reverse. Ending no, write starting. Ending right here 2 by root 3. Root 2 here, 2 here, not defined here. That's all. Cosecant, secant. Cosecant values from from the ending we have to write from the starting here. Ending, this becomes starting. Next we have 2 by root 3 right here, root 2 right here, 2 here, not defined here. That's it. Next, cot. Cot, what we have to write? Tan we have no, tan. That ending values starting you write. Tan ending is what? Not defined. But here starting we have to write, not defined. Next we have root 3 here. Tan here 1 by root 3, 0. That's it. So this is a way of writing trigonometric table very easily if you want to write. So what I did, first I completed this. So if you complete this, remaining we can complete as it is. For writing this sine values, here I given some trick. Write whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all this by 4. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Then apply square root. Apply square root. This values we have to write here. 0 by 4 value is 0. Square root of 1 by 4 value is 1 by 2. Square root of 2 by 4 value is 1 by root 2. Square root of 3 by 4 value is root 3 by 2. Square root of 4 by 4 is 1. Next, cos. How to write cos? This in reverse order we have to write. Reverse order. 1 right here. Root 3 by 2 right here. 1 by root 2 right here. 1 by 2 here. 0 here. Completed. Tan. Tan formula is what? Sin by cos. So both we have to divide. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3, like this we have to divide. Tan also completed. Cosecant. Cosecant means what? Reciprocal of sine. Sine reverse we have to write. This is 0 by 1. 0 by 1 reverse 1 by 0, not defined. 1 by 2 reverse 2 by 1. 2 by 1 nothing but 2. 1 by root 2 reverse root 2 by 1, nothing but root 2. Root 3 by 2 reverse 2 by root 3. 1, if you reverse also 1 only you will get. Then secant, this ending 1 here, 2 by root 3 here, root 2 here, 2 not defined. Cot, tan ending not defined here, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. That's it. Okay. So very easily we can remember this. So while solving this angle of elevation, angle of depression problems, it is very useful. First we have to write the table, then only we have to solve the problem. So all this we cannot remember. Somewhere you will do mistake. Instead of suppose if they ask tan 30, instead of 1 by root 3, you can write root 3 also sometimes by forgetting. Then it becomes wrong. So first we have to draw the table before solving the problems based on the angles. Okay. Thank you.